And now, your weather authority.
Good evening once again. After 10 p.m., calm, stable, and tranquil. Still the case here across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Right now, let's show you that J-on tower camera. Traffic flowing smoothly across the bridge right now. One brave traveler out there bearing the cold conditions. There's 2 or 3 out there and off in the distance. Regardless, we're actually seeing those cold conditions continue this evening and will be the case on through not only tonight but into tomorrow morning. But hey, the trade-off is we get that cold night and a beautiful morning, a beautiful afternoon tomorrow. A few upper-level clouds will drift in tomorrow morning, but not enough to disrupt our beautiful start to the day and beautiful midday as well. So let's kick things off with a look at temperatures around the area because we have a couple weather changes and need to roll. Down on the southern parts of the viewing area, mid to lower 40s, the case, Gulfport, Biloxi, and Ocean Springs. Move a little bit further to the north and you'll find temperatures in the upper 30s for Poplarville, Wiggins, and Lucedale, Bogalusa in there as well at 37. Around the region, temperatures in the lower 40s here in southern Mississippi, but Fayetteville, Arkansas actually warmer than us right now. Jackson, Tennessee down below 32-degree mark, down at 31 for temperatures right now. But temperatures down here in southern Mississippi will drop even further, maybe even around 34, 35 degrees. As for those winds, should stay mostly calm throughout the evening, but when it does increase, it'll be pretty variably out of the north-northwest. And tomorrow we'll see a shift to southeasterly winds because the high pressure will drop down to the south and east of our location as well. But here's a look at the forecast for tonight. Temperatures in the mid-30s, as I mentioned, maybe a little bit of patchy frost through the morning hours, and then that wind pretty variably out of the north-northwest. Remember how things work when we have these clear nights. Now, during the day, when you don't have that cloud cover, that heating comes down, drops down, heats up the surface, and you get zoom, or I don't know why I made a lightning sound, but however you want to envision these rays of heat coming down, heat up the surface. Now, if that cloud cover is there during the evening hours, that heat attempts to rise and back out to the space after the sun goes down. The clouds there kind of radiates and insulates the ground cover there. And you'll see that here on this particular product. Now, what you're going to see at night, like I mentioned, that heat tries to escape back towards space with the clouds, kind of act as you would on a cold night with a blanket. Put on that blanket, it insulates a lot of that heat and radiates the heat back to yourself. But that's just pretty quickly what happens, and don't have enough time to really dive into this product. But what's going to happen over the next few days is we'll see a frontal system drop down towards the Mississippi Gulf Coast, bringing with it the potential for some showers and thunderstorms on into Saturday. That high pressure I just mentioned will drop to our east tomorrow, bringing us that southeasterly wind. And as that happens, we'll start to see things remain nice and calm into tomorrow. But into the weekend, what you'll be looking at is a potential for showers and thunderstorms as our next frontal system arrives into Saturday, maybe even find itself in a moist environment, which is favorable for severe weather development.